Milk carton in Milwaukee.
You can't, as LaFleur said, we didn't have that soundbite for you. Can't get
I'm
it all.
thinking someone's about to get pulled over. Come on, do something. Do something. Come on. The guy exiting, he's getting pulled over, right? Right? No, it doesn't look like it. What does it take to get pulled over here? Everyone goes like 80 plus on this road. What the hell are you doing close to me? Lady, there's cars ahead of me. I can't go faster. I'm at the speed limit. Like, come on. This ain't rocket science. Tailgating me is not going to make you go faster. Here you go. I'm turning out your way. Tailgate that guy.
Emblem. I want the BetMGM lion gold around my neck. But there has to be some sort of engraving on the back where they...
Playing city games. Now you kind of did it in time. But he still cut me off. And you get on 81 anyways.
When it's going to get a little out of hand and they're going to cover. First half, I think I'm going to be thinking I make it.
Hey, what are you doing there? Guy in the orange vest?
6.5.
Nope. Toyota.
Had in video game number last week, okay? And they had 10 touchdowns in that game. The defense was completely confused.
Oh shit, it's a dead
Now,
end.
a team that does that is now the dog next week by 2.5 to the Buffalo Bills.
You done messed up, Aaron!
That's the book trying to trick people and trying to move money. There is
red light run, red light run. Elon ran the red light. Oh, why ain't it starting to turn out? Screwbro. Wait, what the hell? What the heck is? What the fuck? Really? From Washington, what the hell are you doing? No, stop.
What? Do you get a refund for the fucking bear?
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
I don't know if this story could top that.
Tell me, fuck the dude.
He fucking, what the fuck was I gonna say? He called her a $3 whore.
Nice cut off, exit divish. Yeah, bad.
There was this big backlash.
There is no hell. What they talk about with the afterlife is a shadowy place called Sheol. S-H-E.
Why are you on the wrong side of the street?
And
really?
It's kind of just a shadow.
Red light run. We've known each other for as long as I saw you. I can't make a song work. No, stop, Toyota. No stop the forward. Wait, what the hell is that guy doing up there? Why are you turning from the center lane? Dum dum dumbity dum 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 dum. We were being dumb today. We're being dumb dum 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 dum. This is the bad singing channel. This is what people call this channel now, I guess. I don't know. Really bad driving channel. Those half Beavis and Butthead too. I am Cornholio.
Concede at this point and, you know, milk the rest of this clock. I think Buffalo's in a position to say that's all right with us. Big third down coming up here for Miami. Just 1 for 4 on the game.
Exit dive.
Put backfield, Tyreek Hill going in motion there. Inside handoff to
From the Reagan White House. This is when Tip O'Neill enters the picture.
Nice cutoff.
And Tip had some experience.
Everywhere else wants the tunnel. And now we've got a tunnel. It doesn't take our lane, it takes the airport's lane.
So basically he said,
Nice cutoff.
I won't be around forever. Take this.
Wait, why are you going up the wrong side of the road? What? That is weird. Nice cutoff. Really? What the fuck was that? Wait, where are you doing, Nissan driver?
Check out the video. It's on, I'm sure, MLB's app. It's all over social media. It's all over the place. Third inning last night against the Pittsburgh Pirates. 3-2
Exit
pitch.
dive.
Absolute check swing. I mean, there's no way he went through.
Exit dive. All the way from the left lane. And nice cutoff.